Tonight, Georgia's fake electors who tried to overturn the state's 2020 election results in favor of former President Trump are set to testify before a special grand jury in just the coming days. At least 11 of the 16 Republicans who signed unofficial electorate certificates are expected to appear. Their scheme is laid out in newly disclosed emails obtained by the New York Times. One of them, sent by Trump advisor Boris Epshteyn, talks about an idea proposed by a lawyer working with the Trump campaign. This email reads, in part, his idea is basically that all of us, Georgia, Wisconsin, Arizona, Pennsylvania, etc., have our electors send in their votes, even though the votes aren't legal under federal law because they're not signed by the governor, so that members of Congress can fight about whether they should be counted on January 6th. Nick Valencia is out front.
A significant week for Georgia prosecutors investigating alleged election interference by former President Donald Trump and his allies in the 2020 election. At least 11 of the 16 Republicans who signed fake electorate certificates are expected to appear in front of the special grand jury to testify in the criminal probe. Among them is the state's GOP party chair, David Shafer, but most are not widely known, even in Georgia.
Most of these folks could walk, as long as they're wearing normal clothes, they could walk right into the courthouse. And those cameras that seem to be glued to our courthouse steps right now wouldn't even pivot on them.
The so-called fake electors are now targets of a criminal investigation for participating in a plan to subvert the Electoral College and attempt to falsely certify Trump as the winner in Georgia in the 2020 election. But even as Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis appears poised to file criminal charges, this week, a major misstep in her investigation.
It's a what are you thinking moment. The optics are horrific.
A judge on Monday blocking Willis from pursuing a case against one elector, Burt Jones, a Republican state senator who is now running to be Georgia's next lieutenant governor. This after Willis hosted a campaign fundraiser for Jones's political rival.
It's not a lowercase a appearance. It's like a capital A with flashy lights fundraiser, district attorney for the political opponent of someone I've named the target of my investigation. That's problematic.
The setback for Willis and her team could now also impact the overall case. A new district attorney could be assigned to specifically question Jones if needed, which could create problems. The Prosecuting Attorneys Council of Georgia, who could appoint the special DA, says no decision has been made.
While it matters, of course, whenever there's a disqualification, in this case, the grand jury review moves forward, and it does not affect the most important target of all, potentially Donald Trump.
The people of Georgia are angry. The people of the country are angry. And there's nothing wrong with saying that, that you've recalculated.
Well, Mr. President, the challenge that you have is the data you have is wrong.
For a case that was sparked in part by a now infamous phone call between Trump and Georgia's Secretary of State, Brad Raffensperger, Willis's case has evolved to be wide-ranging and broad in scope. Now, at least 7 key Trump allies have been subpoenaed to testify before the special grand jury, including 5 of the Trump campaign's legal counselors, as well as the president's attorney, Rudy Giuliani, and South Carolina Republican Senator Lindsey Graham. And Aaron, we've learned today, according to a spokesperson with the Georgia State Bar, that 2 Republican attorneys who participated in the fake elector scheme are now having their law licenses investigated. A complaint was filed by a group of lawyers with a nonprofit legal watchdog group earlier this year, according to that spokesperson. So now, not only are those 2 Republican lawyers being investigated by Fani Willis in the criminal probe, they're also having their law licenses investigated for their role as fake electors.